Hello guys, good day and welcome back once again. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, like the video and share with others. This daily Cipher code for July 5th stroke July 6th 2024. The daily Cipher code. The word for today is burn. B-U-R-N. So without further ado, let's get it started. So the first one is B, that is dash dot. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, like the video and share with others. The second word is U, dot dash, followed by R, dot dash dot, and the N, which is the last word, dash and dot. And that is all guys. Do well to subscribe, like the video and share with others. Thank you.